All right, friends, before we start today, let's review some letters. This letter is O. This letter is M. This letter is S. This letter is R. This letter is Q. This letter is P. And this letter is N. Now remember, friends, I told you you were in charge of remembering some special letters for today. Those letters are A, D, H, and N. And remember, friends, all week we've been talking about how we can spell words using letters of the alphabet, but that the order of those letters matters. What does this word say? Well, this is A. Remember, A is a letter, our very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too. What if I add this letter here? Does it still say A? No. Well, what if I move it over here? Does that still say A? No. For this word to say A, it can only have the letter A by itself. All right, friends, let's try another word. What does this word say? You're right. This is our sight word, had. Do you see any of our special letters from today? I see an H and a D. Oh, and there's the letter A. H-A-D. That spells had. If I move this letter over here, does that still spell had? No. Well, what if I move it like this? Does that still spell had? No. Remember, the order of the letters matters, and if it isn't spelled H-A-D, then it won't say had. There. Now it says had again. Let's try one last word. What does this word say? You're right! This is our sight word, and. Do you see any of our special letters from today? I see an N and a D. Oh, and an A. A-N-D. That spells and. If I move this letter over here, does that still spell and? No. What if I move it like this? Does that spell and? No. If it isn't spelled A-N-D, then it won't spell and. There. Now it says and again. Now today, your job is to practice the words A, had, and. You can choose any way you would like to do that, and I'm going to show you some different ways you can practice. Do your best, and I'll see you later.